In this video, I'll guide you through how to create and use a paragraph style in Adobe InDesign so you can format your text quickly and consistently. We'll go from raw text to a reusable style that you can apply across your entire document with just a click. First, let's open the Paragraph Styles panel. This is the control center for managing all your text styles in InDesign. At the top of the screen, go to the Window menu, then move down to Styles and choose Paragraph Styles. When you click that, a panel will appear, usually floating on the right side of your workspace. If you don't see it at first, it might be docked with other panels, so look for the tab labeled Paragraph Styles. Now that the panel is open, the next step is to select the text you want to style. Use the Type tool to click and drag over a paragraph, or place your cursor anywhere inside a paragraph if you want the entire paragraph to follow the same style. It's best to start with a paragraph that already looks the way you want, or close to it, because InDesign will base the new style on the formatting of that selected text. With your text selected and the Paragraph Styles panel visible, look down at the bottom of the panel for the New Style button. It's the little plus icon. Click that plus icon to create a new style. You'll see a new style appear in the list, usually named something like Paragraph Style 1. Right away, InDesign also opens a dialog box where you can define exactly how this style should behave. In that dialog box, give your style a clear, descriptive name. For example, you might call it body text, heading, subheading, or anything that makes sense for your document. A good name helps you quickly find and reuse the style later, especially in longer projects. Next, set up the formatting for your style. This is where you choose how you want all paragraphs using this style to look. You can control the font family and font style, like regular or bold, as well as the font size. You can adjust leading for line spacing and set spacing before and after paragraphs, so you don't have to add extra blank lines manually. You can also choose alignment, such as left align, center, or justified, depending on your design. Take a moment to explore the options in the left-hand list of the dialog box. Categories like indents and spacing or hyphenation give you fine control over the appearance and readability of your text. Once you're happy with these settings, click OK. The style is now saved and immediately applied to the text you had selected. You'll notice that the style's name is highlighted in the Paragraph Styles panel, confirming that the selected text is using that style. From now on, you can reuse this style anywhere in your document. Just select another paragraph or multiple paragraphs, then go to the Paragraph Styles panel and click the name of the style you created. In an instant, all that text updates to match the same font, size,